What up, Biscuits? We got the Goon Squad together. Fabio back there, Naked Nate up here, and your boy Biscuit Benny right in the middle. We're about to go troll around town a little bit. So join us on this little adventure. Fabio on his nice little Grom. Let's go right. Did you just see the back of my bike lift off the ground? Well.
First strike. Got him!
Nice.
Again, this is one of those times where I'm going to complain about riding with people who don't have Bluetooth comms. All I can do is honk and shout.
Hello, Fabio, wo bist du?
You've probably noticed, but most of my content on the Grom is just a compilation of doing dumb things. That's what makes the Grom so great. It's almost like it doesn't matter what you do on it. Shoot fireworks off the back, do a wheelie, ride on the sidewalk, whatever. Of all the motorcycles out there, I feel that the Grom is the one that lets you be yourself the most. Live the Grom life.
This is chaos.
Extermination.
Go, 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 go! Go! Yeah! Yes, this is a great Biscuit Benny episode. It's a bunch of examples of how not to ride your motorcycle. This is so out of control, dude. It's just a crazy German on a motorcycle. Fabio! Rechts gehen, wir gehen rechts. Wir gehen rechts. Why are you guys back there? Because I cut in line. Oh, this road sucks! Oh gosh! Oh! Oh! Ah! So here in Indianapolis, we don't spend a lot of money on roads. Oh, fuck, I just hit a piece of metal. I hope that doesn't pop my tire. I think I'm dehydrated. Can't wait to drink some beers. Yeah, he's on it. I just don't think he can hear. He just needs to get a Cena. A John Cena.
And his name is John Cena!
He's literally pulling me forward. Oh yeah, get those stretches in, boy. You better stretch those arms out. It all hurts, right? That's what the gym does. But you know what? Sometimes it do be that way, though. Salute to the ones who serve. Well, if you guys enjoyed that video, press the like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, share the video with your friends. Tune in next time for some more stupid Grom content. And as always, ride safe. I'll see you guys in the next one.